Have you ever trusted someone who smiled at you like a friend, but later hurt you in ways you never expected? What if the people you laughed with were quietly waiting for the right moment to take advantage of you? This is not just a story. It's a lesson about trust, betrayal, and strength. Stay till the end, because this story might protect your heart someday. Once upon a time, a teenage boy from Europe moved to the United States with hope shining in his eyes and dreams filling his heart. Everything felt new. The streets, the school, the people. He believed this new place would give him a fresh start. He was kind by nature, gentle in words, and honest in intentions. Because of that, he trusted easily. At school, he met a group of boys who welcomed him with smiles, laughter, and friendly gestures. They made him feel accepted, and for the first time since arriving, he felt like he truly belonged. He didn't know that not every smile hides good intentions, and not every friendly hand is safe to hold. Days passed, and the bond grew stronger, or so he believed. They sat together, walked home together, shared jokes, and acted like true friends. But quietly, things began to change. Small signs appeared, whispers when he wasn't looking, laughter that stopped when he arrived, and messages that made him feel confused. Like snakes hiding in tall grass, their intentions were silent but dangerous. He ignored the signs because his heart wanted to believe the good in people. Trust blinded him, and kindness made him vulnerable. He didn't know that some people don't come to support you. They come to use you. The truth revealed itself slowly and painfully. He overheard them mocking him, spreading lies, and laughing at his trust. The betrayal felt like a bite, sharp, sudden, and unforgettable. His heart broke. Not because he was weak, but because he was real. He felt alone, confused, and ashamed for trusting so deeply. Yet in that pain, something changed. He realized an important truth. Not everyone who calls you a friend is one. Some people are like snakes. They wait, they smile, and when the time is right, they strike. Duries. If this story is touching your heart, take a moment to subscribe to English Story Academy channel, where emotional, powerful, and interesting stories change lives. Instead of chasing those who hurt him, the boy chose silence and distance. He walked alone, thought deeply, and learned to listen to his instincts. Slowly, the pain turned into understanding. He began setting boundaries, choosing peace over approval. When those same people tried to come back with fake apologies and friendly smiles, he didn't open the door again. He had learned his lesson. A snake that bites once will bite again if given the chance. Strength is not about revenge, it's about self-respect. With time, he focused on himself. He studied, exercised, helped others, and rebuilt his confidence. He stayed kind but became careful. His heart was no longer open to everyone, only to those who proved they deserved it. The boy realized that wisdom comes from pain, and growth comes from lessons learned the hard way. He understood that protecting your trust is not being rude, it is being smart. As he walked forward in life, those snake-like people faded into the past. They had no power over him anymore. He no longer looked back, because the future felt brighter than the pain behind him. The boy had transformed, not into someone cold, but into someone strong. He learned that real friends don't bite, don't use, and don't break your trust. Real friends protect, support, and stand beside you even when you have nothing to offer. Today, the boy walks with confidence, knowing his worth. He understands that trust is precious and should be given carefully. The scars remain, but they no longer hurt. They remind him of how far he has come, and with calm strength in his heart, he lives by one powerful rule: never let them bite you twice. Duries. Moral of the story: some people enter your life as lessons, not blessings. Be kind, but never ignore red flags. Protect your trust. For more emotional and powerful stories, subscribe to English Story Academy channel and become stronger with every story.